The JCDRILL JCD2200 is an efficient, reliable, and safe core drilling machine. Remote control operation ensures safety from a distance. Heavy-duty tracks and hydraulic legs provide stability on varied terrain. The drilling mast offers flexible positioning. A full safety cover and fast rotation power head maximize efficiency and safety. The JCD2200 offers enhanced productivity with a hydraulic clamp, side shift for rod handling, and a large winch. JCD2200 elevate your core drilling operations.